So guys, by default the MacBook Neo does not support SD cards. I'm going to show you though the best two adapters for it. So to start at first, without this was an SD card slot. It's actually this event. We do though have a couple USB-Cs where you can use an adapter. The only MacBooks with an SD card slot are MacBook Pros. So now getting to the adapters. So first, the best reviewed adapter is one by Apple. Costs about $40. So this one works with any SD card, UHS-I or II. Here's the difference, UHS-I versus II. So you just simply plug it in. Put it in your MacBook. Plug it in the top port. So the first time you get this prompt, press allow. So then you should see the SD card right here. So for me, just double click on it. Brings up all your files, just double click. So guys, I'm going to show you connecting the AirPods Max to your iPhone. So we can copy to the MacBook. Very, very quick. Same for copying back. Of course, so that's a duplicate file. So now for the more portable option. Right click, eject SD card. So once the icon's off, go remove it. I'll link this below if you're interested. So the second one, we've got here a third-party one. So this one is 7 ports in one. You actually also have the micro SD, some other spots too. So the thing about this one is it's less expensive, half the price. So for the SD cards, this only supports the speeds for UHS-I. It can still run UHS-II, but at US-I speeds. UHS-II is a lot faster than 1. Plug it into the top port. So yeah, once again press allow. We'll check the speed of it. So there's the SD card, double press. Let's go back to that file. So guys, I'm going to show you connecting the AirPods Max to your iPhone. So it's still placed pretty quickly, but when you try to copy it, so yeah, for the first adapter, it's instant. For this, it's much slower. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll link these below.